everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's episode we are trying something new and we are testing the Wix Harmony. As you know, there are so many AI tools right now coming out in the industry, and this is a new one that I have seen recently on my YouTube feed. It's 7 days old from the time of the recording, so I'm not sure what is the difference between the other AI features that Wix has, but seems like the regular prompt, generate my site, and then some options here to just explore it. And let's see what we can create with this one. So for start, we have this interactive avatar here, I would say, and then prompt to describe our website. I would say, so this will be bed and breakfast website on the coast of Croatia, and refining my prompt just to see what it will say. Create a stunning and inviting website for my coastal bed and breakfast in Croatia that attracts tourists, showcases beautiful accommodations, features an interactive booking system, and highlights local attractions with tranquil and welcoming design. Okay, let's see how long it will take. Okay, we have a little update from Aria and what the AI doing in the meantime while we're waiting. First is planning the website. The loading animation is stunning. The visuals look fresh and modern. I like that. This might take a few minutes. Okay, let's see how many minutes. Now it's 5:51. I can already see the name of the website, which is Coastal Heaven. Very important, don't leave this tab. Aria is working on the Wix Harmony editor to create a site for you. It is very important that you stay on this browser tab to complete the site. Please do not leave. Okay, that's a good mention. So even though if I switch windows, that might diminish the loading experience. I can see some glass effect and small interaction. It's being saved automatically. It's been a minute or two since we started. Okay, it seems that it's ready. Let's see what we have here. Your site is ready, homepage. Next step suggests that we connect it to a domain, but what we have as visuals, let's see. Okay, this is the most generic logo that could exist, but it's clearly made with AI. Options on the menu are just home and book online, book now, and shopping cart. I don't know why, since it's bed and breakfast, it would make sense to be just book now, so I'm going to remove this. Your tranquil sanctuary on the Adriatic shores. Okay, this is not bad. I would probably make them a little bit wider. Discover the art of slow living in the coastal heaven nestles in the heart of Croatia coastline. Book your escape. Okay. Our recommendations. Seaside escape 1 hour. Local tour. Breakfast delight. I wonder if these are all AI generated images. The heart of the Adriatic. This seems like an accurate representation because of the pine trees, the rocks and the water, but also seems AI. Visit Croatia. Okay. Croatia, coastal heaven, tranquil Mediterranean. Not very impressive, but let's see. This is only the home page. Book online. Site card, service pages. Okay, let's preview and click around and see how it looks like. Those are the only things we can do. Okay, book this one. Okay. It looks okay. I like that this one is already animated and moving, but is it going to drive clients to book experiences with us? Just from the images and couple of services, that are not really aligned with the business at the moment, because what is CS side escape and why 1 hour is 100 euros? What is this exactly? And local tour is clear enough. Breakfast slide, is it like you making your own breakfast, or we need more details about this and what it is as an experience. This is a repetitive if this is the one that leads to this one, right? Because we already saw them above, but it's a nice reminder. Why would you book holiday here? This is a testimonial from Sarah and Thomas, fictional testimonial, and I'm not sure if this image here makes sense to be on the right. Plan your escape is a nice call to action, I would say that. And the footer is nothing special. This is a desktop preview. This is how, okay, we can scale down to mobile like this. Ooh, okay, this was smooth. Let's start from the top to bottom. This will be the tablet. Okay, nice. Okay, let's see mobile. All right, I like the animation of that. I like the transition from desktop to mobile, to see how everything fits perfectly, except for this. Yeah, it does need work, but it's a great starting point. That's definitely true. Let's see, we have the bookings. So here is the admin side of the bookings and what we can do behind. This is the brand. All right, this is the kit that we have currently, and the text, the primary and secondary buttons, the boxes, the lines. All right, this is all about the website, the SEO, the accessibility, the share, the analytics. Okay, we can ask Aria for more changes. We can change the layout, replace background. All right, let's change the kit and let's see if we can choose another one. What about this one? Some of it I like, but some of it I don't. This was a great combo, but a little bit got this one. This is more like tech. Yeah, you know, that kit is good. That it was originally. We just need to change a couple of things. The color palette is great. The fonts, maybe we can also work on them. But most importantly, the content is what is missing, and the layout, or the business strategy behind the layout, because for now it's just an empty, soulless website. Here I assume we can move sections up and down. That's a functionality that is available in the Wix original editor. More actions, okay. Section selection, okay, that's nice. Do we have the layers? We do. Okay, interesting. Okay, I like that, the little preview of what is included in each section. We can move them from here. Will they move also? Okay, true, they moved. Okay, that's nice. So there's singular settings that we can use. Box styles, replacing the background, some settings, the opacity, border, shadow, some design options as well, animations as well. Okay, does it have any animation right now? No. The preview is really subtle. I like that. I am excited to see the animations on this one. Let's put a parallax one. Yeah, the parallax is the usual parallax. Okay, this one moves out of the way. That's cute. There's some mouse effects as well. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. What about the blur? Alright, this is all about the interactions. What about gentle motion? I like this. Let's do the blur also smaller, just 15. Yeah, okay. What invert would be? To be doing the opposite. Okay, whenever we choose invert, it will go to the opposite of the mouse. Follow, it will be following our mouse. This is cute. I like this. Tilt. Drag. This is nice. Blob. Maybe not for the whole section, but it is an interesting option. What about Trap 3D? Nice. Resize. This is cute when we probably select multiple containers on a section. Skew. Do you notice how many times I have to click out? Okay, this is interesting. Look at this. 1, 2. Okay, I will just have to remove this, so no effects on mouse. Entrance, we have lots of them. Fade, shutter, fold, blur, turn, expand, shrink, tilt. Okay, so for ideation, that's great. Once you put on your own content, you can start from here and then experiment and go ahead and add some motion and interaction. I believe this is more orientated towards that, and it has very good options. Now if I want to add something, I have to go here. Okay, add elements. The organization here is a bit different than Wix Studio. We have immediately uploaded media, generate images, generate element. We have branded elements, some of the site images, resources available from Wix, already made sections, some of their solutions. They're grouped in text, titles. Interesting, here we have different titles with different fonts. I'm not sure if that's a good idea to mix and match, especially when we have already the branded titles, but it's a nice preview. I can appreciate the preview. The paragraphs are already styled and aligned differently. Combos, okay. This is great for inspiration if you want to combine certain text. This is running text or moving text on screen, okay. Collapsible text, related apps. Oh, I like that. Similar situation with images as well. So it's basically a single search engine for the images. Okay, they are separated by categories. This is the breakfast image that we found. These are the buttons, some graphics, cute. I like that they're in one style. Wix bookings, okay, different lists of services, agendas, calendars. So what we have here is Wix Studio with different layout and different information architecture, more minimalistic, not so overwhelming, but easy to find and to, discover. Very heavily orientated on motion and also interaction, which is cool. That's Wix Harmony for you. I think it's a great tool to explore. It took around 5 minutes to generate the website. If you're interested, you can find the link in the description below. And if you want already made website in Wix Studio to sell your digital or physical products, make sure to check out my JBGO template that I will leave a link to in the comments and the description. And if you want to learn the Wix Studio foundations by yourself, I have a course for you that you can find on Udemy. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye!